Have a blessed day. It's a good day to start new things. I am your pre-service teacher, Miss Realisa Damasin, and I am your guide in teaching and learning Mathematics 9. Before we start, I want you to get your module, pencil and ball pen, and make sure you will stay in a place that are free from any distraction. Let's begin. Today, we are going to discuss about similar figures. At the end of this video, we will be able to know or explain similar figures, illustrate similarity of figures, finding corresponding side lengths in similar figures. Now, what are similar figures? Similar figures are figures that are the same shape but can be different in sizes. These are few examples. These three groupings here, these are all same shape, but they do vary in size. Our goal is to write proportions and to find corresponding side lengths in similar figures. The first thing that we will be talking about is corresponding side lengths. It means that we will be find the same side on a different shapes. Here we have two rectangles. We have ABCD and FGHJ. These two rectangles are similar because the only thing that they are different is their size. So when we are looking for corresponding side lengths, we are matching our sides of our shapes to each other. In this case, we have side AB which matches side FG. We will write that as AB is similar to FG. We then have BC, which is similar to GH. We also have CD, which is similar to HJ. And then we have FJ and AD. Those two are also similar. As you can see, each of these sides on the rectangles matches up with the side of the larger rectangles. For these side lengths, in similar figures, it can be written as a proportion. So we will write that proportion as big over small. So we have the same rectangles we just had, but they give us some numbers and we will solve for this missing x. We will solve for that by writing this proportion of big over small. Now, we will take the number of our big length that we had. Now, what we are going to do, we have 10 over 4 because it does match just on the other side, which is equal to x over 6. In order to solve for x, we're going to cross multiply and divide. So, 10 times 6 divided by 4. So, 10 times 6 is equals to 60. And we're going to divide that by 4. This is equal to 15. So, x is equal to 15 inches. We have one more example. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle JKL. Find the missing measure. These are the measurement for 2 out of our 3 sides of our triangle. And the first thing we will have to do is to identify our corresponding sides. So we have side AB, which is similar to side JK on our smaller triangle. We also have side CA, which is similar to side LJ of the triangle. Remember, as we go in, to write our proportion, we are going to write it as big over small. To start it, we will write down those letters where we're going to take our big triangle with AB and it's going to be over our small corresponding side, which in this case is JK. That is equal to our big side, which is CA, over our small corresponding side, which is LJ. From here, substitute this to the given numbers, which is AB is equal to 10.5 over 3 for JK, and that is equal to x over 4. We will solve for x using cross multiplication. 10.5 times 4. that is equal to 42. Divided by 3, that is equal to 14. So, x is equal to 14 meters. For our final thoughts, remember, similar figures are the same figure but different in sizes. Corresponding sides are the sides that are the same but just on a different shape. There are multiple ways to do this, but make sure you're setting up your proportion right. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today, class. Now, tandaan, maging mat tiyaga para maging mat galing. See you next time. This is your teacher, Realisa Damasin.